This is BeingTsongaInSA with Shitshembiso Mabasa na
Fumani N Shilubana
What I saw from the video, there's a person trying to get attention as Shinyori, I know.
He said that.
Yeah, and then I email a site.
Yes, he was.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even there's a picture of Manlia, the MEC, Shinyori behind there.
Is it?
Even ka MLFM Shinyori did say, but then Imanyana, Neta, we are looking at the announcement.
Yes.
So MEC.
I can confirm that. You know why?
Yeah.
I can confirm because when I came on stage, MEC, and then the whole firecrackers and everything happened.
Yeah.
And then I announced my cousin and Master KG.
Yeah.
There was a point where I looked back, and my eyes connected now Dr. Shinyori.
What's going on?
That confused me. Personally, I'm like, wait, did we just announce an artist to come on? What is that man doing there with his guitar? That for me didn't make sense.